Bollywood's first family has been hit by the contagious coronavirus. Megastar Amitabh Bachchan, his son Abhishek have tested positive with mild symptoms. On the other hand, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and her daughter Aradhya too have tested positive but are thankfully asymptomatic. The Nanavati hospital says the Big B and Abhishek are stable.
Bollywood's first family battling COVID. Shahanshah Amitabh Bachchan along with son Abhishek tested positive for COVID-19 on Saturday. The father-son duo took rapid antigen tests for coronavirus after showing mild symptoms. They were later admitted to Mumbai's COVID-dedicated Nanavati hospital. According to the hospital authorities, 77-year-old senior Bachchan's condition is stable, adding that Big B is currently in the isolation unit and he will keep updating people about his condition via Twitter. Other members of the Bachchan family, Aishwarya Rai and her daughter Aradhya Bachchan, have also tested positive for coronavirus. Both are asymptomatic and will be self-isolating at home. Jaya Bachchan and Shweta Nanda are negative. The 77-year-old is vulnerable since he has comorbidities and has survived hepatitis B infection and has impaired liver function. Abhishek Bachchan's co-star in the newly launched web series Breathe Into the Shadows, Amit Saad, will get himself tested as he was present with Junior Bachchan in the studio for dubbing.
So we got contact from dubbing studio also. My entire team is there reaching at dubbing studio to scrutinize and get contact history from there.
So sanitization of that place and getting contact?
Yeah. We did all places sanitization as well as screening, thermal screening, SpO2 screening. That we took.
Hours after testing positive for coronavirus, Amitabh Bachchan's Jalsa residence was declared a containment zone by Mumbai civic body. Massive sanitization drive was carried out at the Bachchan's Juhu bungalow.
हम तीनों बंगले उनके प्रतीक्षा जनक और जानकी देना एक-एक करके सैनिटाइज करेंगे आज.
BMC or the municipal corporation personnel have come in dressed in PPE kits, who have come here to sanitize the entire residence. Not only Jalsa, it's important to note that, even their office, Janak, which is right behind this bungalow, as well as their other bungalow, that is Pratiksha, will also be sanitized by the BMC.
Fans across the nation are praying and performing pujas for the actors. Messages also poured in for the Bachchans from celebrities, politicians and sports personalities.
हमारे प्यारे महानायक को भगवान उनको बहुत अच्छी तबीयत कर दे और हमारे बीच में हमेशा कायम रखे. जय हो.
हमारी इन दोनों के लिए भी विशेष रूप से प्रार्थना है. आज सुबह भी मैंने उनके संबंधित डॉक्टर से बात की है और उसने मुझे बताया कि दोनों अस्पताल में स्टेबल हैं, उनकी तबीयत ठीक है.
As the much-loved star battles the infection, a billion wishes for a speedy recovery. Bureau Report, India Today.
While Amitabh Bachchan, son Abhishek, daughter-in-law Aishwarya and granddaughter Aradhya have tested positive, celebrities from all spheres are wishing them a very speedy recovery. Let's take a look at who all have wished the Bachchan family.
Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan took to social media to confirm that they have tested positive for COVID-19 and are admitted to Nanavati Hospital. Messages poured in for the Bachchans from celebrities, politicians and sport personalities. Akshay Kumar wrote, and I quote, "Praying for your speedy recovery, sir. Love and prayers," unquote. Priyanka Chopra wrote, and I quote, "Wishing you both speedy recovery, Amit Ji and AB. Sending you prayers and positive energy," unquote. Actor Shahid Kapoor posted, and I quote, "Wishing you the speediest recovery, Amit Ji and Abhishek. Wishing the entire family the best of health. Much love," unquote. Veteran actor Dharmendra wrote, and I quote, "Amit, get well soon. I am sure of my courageous younger brother. He will soon be fit and fine in a day or two. Jaya, don't worry. Everything will be fine, my brave baby. Look after yourself and everyone at home. Love you all. Take care," unquote. Madhuri Dixit also wished Amitabh Bachchan a speedy recovery. Lata Mangeshkar wrote, and I quote, "Namaskar Amit ji, आप और अभिषेक दोनों पर भगवान की कृपा होगी और आप जल्द स्वस्थ होकर घर आएंगे, ऐसा मुझे विश्वास है." Unquote. Mohanlal, Mahesh Babu, Rana Dagubati and Dhanush also took to Twitter to wish the Bachchans. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who shares a great rapport with Amitabh Bachchan, also prayed for his speedy recovery. While Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal wrote, and I quote, "Sir, we wish you a speedy recovery. The power of 1 billion prayers is with you." Unquote. Health Minister Harshvardhan wished both Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek. He wrote, and I quote, "I join the whole nation in wishing you a quick recovery. After all, you are the idol of millions in this country, an iconic superstar. We will all take good care of you. Best wishes for a speedy recovery." Unquote. Sport personalities like Sachin Tendulkar and Yuvraj Singh also wish the actors good health. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
So Amitabh Bachchan is battling COVID-19. However, the 77-year-old veteran actor has had his share of health issues in the past. The most infamous being the injuries he sustained while shooting for his film Coolie in the 80s. Take a look at this look back.
Legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan and his son Abhishek Bachchan were tested positive for coronavirus on June 11 in Mumbai. The megastar was admitted to Nanavati Hospital and confirmed the news on social media. The actor's condition is currently stable.
सीनियर बच्चन जो कोमॉर्बिड भी है, इस वजह से उन्होंने एडमिट कर लेना पसंद किया है। वे नानावती हॉस्पिटल मुंबई में एडमिट है। अभी उनकी स्थिति बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है।
Amitabh Bachchan has battled several medical ailments over his career. In 2005, he complained of a stomach ache, which was later confirmed to be a case of diverticulitis of the small intestine. He underwent a major surgery for inflammation and perforation of small and large intestines. Bachchan Sr. on his blog has often complained of having a stiff neck and pain in his shoulders as a result of the injuries he sustained on film set during the 70s and 80s. The most infamous of them all was on the sets of Coolie. The actor had a near brush with death while shooting the film in July 1982. Big B sustained severe injuries in his abdomen while shooting a fight sequence with his co-star Puneet Issar in Coolie. Millions of his fans around the world offered prayers for his speedy recovery. The actor finally recovered from the accident, but it troubled him throughout his life, leading to multiple health issues. During a routine health checkup, it was detected that Big B was diagnosed with hepatitis B. Bachchan later revealed that after his accident during the shooting of the film Coolie, he received 60 bottles of blood from 200 donors, one of whom was carrying the virus. The 77-year-old also battled liver cirrhosis, which he contracted after the blood transfusion in 1982. Over the period of time, Amitabh Bachchan lost about 75% of his liver to cirrhosis and was only surviving on 25% of his liver functioning. Cirrhosis impairs the liver's ability to control infections and process nutrients and drugs. Bachchan Sr. was also detected with tuberculosis of the spine in 2000 when he was about to shoot for his big television debut with Kaun Banega Karodpati, the show which resurrected his career. And after Shahenshah's latest health scare, cine fans across the world are praying for the actor's speedy recovery.
Don't worry.
Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Don't worry. Be happy.
Well, Amitabh Bachchan and his family members are not the only ones infected with the coronavirus. Actor Anupam Kher's mother and a few family members have also tested positive. Let's take a look at this report on B-Town's battle with COVID-19 so far.
Shadow of coronavirus on Bollywood. After Amitabh and Abhishek Bachchan tested positive, actor Anupam Kher tweeted saying his mother has tested positive. His aging mother Dulari has been admitted to Mumbai's Kokilaben Hospital. Kher's brother, sister-in-law and niece have also tested positive. They all have mild symptoms. Taking to Instagram, Anupam added that his mother had not been feeling well and had experienced a loss of appetite in the last few days.
I took my mother to Kokilabehan Hospital. They were very gracious and helpful enough to admit my mother there. And my brother and his family has quarantined themselves in their home. और मेरा फ़र्ज़ था कि मैं आप सब लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करूं कि आपके घर में आपके किसी सदस्य को, खासकर आपके माता पिता को अगर भूख नहीं लग रही है तो एक बार उनका टेस्ट करा लीजिए, बिकॉज हम बहुत देर तक ये सोचते रहे कि भूख क्यों नहीं लग रही है.
Bollywood diva Rekha too had a COVID scare. A portion of her bungalow in Bandra was sealed off after a security guard was found COVID-19 positive on Tuesday. The sealed portion of the sprawling compound includes the portion which housed the staff. Actress Rachel White tested positive for COVID-19. She is in quarantine at her Kolkata home, while took to Twitter asking fans to pray for her. Rachel has worked in films like Dharma Productions' Imran Hashmi and Kangana Ranaut star Ungli and Har Har Byom Kesh in Bengali. There was some good news in store for fans. Designer Ridhima Kapoor Sahni slammed rumors that her mother Neetu Kapoor and brother actor Ranbir Kapoor have tested positive for COVID-19. She asked the people to not spread misinformation. Unverified claims on social media had claimed that Amitabh's grandson Agastya Nanda attended a birthday party hosted by Ridhima. The fashion designer took to Instagram and called the claim baseless. Bollywood has lost composer Wajid Khan to COVID earlier, while producer Kareem Morani's daughters and singer Kanika Kapoor had recovered from COVID. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.